Oh, just outside the market. A little construction going on in the street. All right, these are my friends here. All right,
I love everybody. Thank you.
I see you, Teresa, my new friends here. Look at this. They're coming in and making all kinds of stuff back here. It's nice and cool. Oh, look at that. Fruit there. All different kinds of fruit. Kiwi fruit. No rambutans, I don't see, but anyhow, there you go. All right. Sounds good. These little, are these the real expensive ones? These guys here, yeah. Little balls, rolling stuff here. What is this here? Look at this thing here. What is this here? Rolling down. There's another one there. Wow. Look at this. Oh, it's a beef place. This is where I'd like to eat right here. Ah, boy, look at that. Nice beef. Beef and select source. And probably goes down here, upstairs. Oh, source for premium beef. I guess I ran out of space there, so they had to put it on a corner there. Well, I have to let them commend them for that. All right. I think this is like a warning that we're, I guess, maybe 16 meters above sea level for tsunami, so you know where you are. Evacuate, and for tsunami warning. Okay. Just walking down the street here, and not too many people out on the streets. 2:45 in the afternoon. We're in the shade. It's a little cool here now. All right. Oh, we got the piggies here. Menya Yamato. I wonder if this is a pork restaurant here. He's working on a crane way up there. On the top up there. You can see it right down here in the city street.
And usually, like, if it looks 70s to us, it's probably 80s here because it's a decade delay.
You got the sign up here.
Amber plastic.
Love and drinks up there. There we go. And this thing is a butt thing down here. I guess you throw your butts in there. All right. Sign here says "Stop COVID-19." There you go. And, maybe you're supposed to eat well or something that's going to stop it there. I don't know, but. Try to catch up with the rest of the group here. Yeah, there's the Coconut Club upstairs. Bar Coconut Club 2F. South Island Dining. You got your crossroads here. You got your other street up here. Yeah, there you go. All the clubs up here. Everything. You got your Coconut Club. All your foods here. Shrimp with mayonnaise. Jerk chicken, that sounds pretty good. Millefilla with tuna and avocado. I'm not a seafood guy. Raw ham Caesar salad, no thank you. Butter grilled something fish, no thank you. Well, jerk chicken I might like there, but not too much of a connoisseur on all those things. But let's see, we got another vending machine, lots of vending machine. What this thing is here, oh, it's a multi-plug to keep the rain off of it, to plug in to different things here. That goes up to the building up there. So maybe they have things at nighttime. What do we got? We got the Boss, a lot of Bosses in here. Got that, it looks like tomato juice. Got hearts, so likes tomato juice, all cold. So they're all cold here. And yeah, we got the Pepsis there, 150 milliliters, 140 yen. That's $1. 140 yen, that's $1. That's not bad for, I don't know if the can's actually that big or how many ounces that is, but it's so much here, plus another 150 milliliters up there, so you get a bonus. Somebody put a KFC thing up there. Okay. Now this place here, Club Bar Sun has these tiles here that you get a little reflection. I don't know if you can see it on the video here. You get some reflection from the sun as we move down there. See that? Different shades. And we get up here, and we come back up here. And there you can see the way the sun hits it there a certain way. All right. And we got the Hular Pork and Fish right across the street. The Aloha Nishiu, something, the guys and the girl and the guy in the grass skirt there. Dancing up a storm, she in her hula outfit there. All right, gotta keep going here. There's another manhole cover with the triathlon. Got your runners, your bikers, and your swimmers with the triathlon here. And people are happy there with the triathlon. And I don't know what that number is, but must have had one here because we went to the lighthouse. There was a big sign there about the triathlon. So, but all the manhole covers say triathlon here, so they must have had these special for when they had the triathlon here in the city. Nice touch. Got some palms here. There in your street here. You got your mirror here too. Here, so yeah, you got your mirror in there. You can see yourself. All right, and one man travel. Yes. Flowers here are coming right inside.
You can make a left there and then wrap around back. Unless Julie, do you think maybe we should just backtrack and?
I think if we go left and back, we're just.
Got this guy on this side here, and then on the other side, we got the other guy here. There he is. Check my house here. Yeah. We're heading back to catch the bus back to the ship, I believe. Just walking down the street here. A lot of cars parked out there and everything. Got your streets here. Shadow Man is in there. Shadow Man making an appearance. Yes, yes. Okay.
Boy, you've had so many outfits on today. Good night.
Oh yeah, I remember this street. It's all coming back to me now. Yeah, just coming up here to the intersection. Oh, look at this guy here. Look at that, I don't know what that is here. Oh, yeah. You got a little light on that one for nighttime. Ladies have changed their booths here. Oh, there's our bus. Okay. Yeah, we got the green light. Okay. Got the green light up there. Here we go. Our bus is down there. And our guide is up here with a little whale on her pointer.